Hi, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and today is June 10th, and this is the ES Morning Call. All right, S&P's looks like they're doing a little bit of a rebound. Looks like the everything is moving in consortium. We got the bonds making new lows. We got oil trying to go test up that 62 half that they made a couple weeks ago, and we got gold on the rally after bouncing off its lows. They are the gold, oil, and S&Ps are trading above value. So here's the 20-day average on the. Remember, this is a day-only profile, and we're actually trading below the 20-day value area low. We had one, two, three, four, five lower days in a row, and so we have a little bit of a bounce. We got to see if the market can get back above that. The cash areas that I'm going to tell you about. All right. 2112 half is the 20-day moving 20-day mode. 2112 half. All right. So let's go to the cash before I bring in the profile from last night. So here's going to be our key levels. I'm going to use this as our pivot today. This 2080 16. All right. So this is what we're going to have to stay above to keep the market going to the upside. And then I still have this 2093. So basically, the cash is going to be stuck between 2080 and 2093, and it's going to be a choppy trade in there until we can um, make a direction above or below that. I just think that the market really wants to head towards that 2050 area. So, but this bull market, the bull is not going to die easily. So you're going to have to be careful. But I'm still want to sell rallies unless I can get above that cash of 2093, above 20. I'm sorry, above 2088 half. Now the cash will be 2088 half. I'm going to readjust those numbers. It'll be 2088 half. And then above 2088 half, it's 2098.98. All right, so 2088 half in the cash. All right, let's look at overnight action in the profile and see where we've got our. So this looks undone, unfinished to me. This 2079, the low down here at 2079 or 2080 even. Also, these gray areas tell me that we're going to spend more time up here, and this is at 2089 quarter. We've got single prints here, above here, from 2089 quarter up to 2091.75. We've got very high volume nodes right up in here, and we also have single prints from 2096 up to 2098. This was yesterday's action. I felt, and this looks like it's unfinished here. This 2068.75, that was a Globex low yesterday, and yesterday we couldn't take it out, so it's always a good sign that the market is going to go the other way. All right, so we have to watch these Globex highs of 2089 and a quarter. All right, and so on. So remember, I'm going to be looking at this 2088 half in the cash, which would put the futures right around 2087. So we're kind of opening up right there. We're trading 2086 half. All right, and then above that 2088 half, I got 2098. So there's some big ranges as far as levels that we have to look at. Okay, um, take a look at the day action for today. I have this on the 30-minute chart for right now, so we can get the value value areas, the value areas shaded up. So we got 2081.75 will be the top of value. 2081, the orange here, will be our bull bear zone. 2078 is the point of control, and 2074 and a quarter. Our middle yesterday came in at 2077 half. We tested it at the end of the day. You know, So, usually when I put this middle out, keep an eye at the extremes of the middle, and yesterday we got back inside and then rallied towards the end of the day and rallied up from there. So looking at that, always the key if we're going to move lower, is can we get back inside value? And we're trading above the point of control from yesterday. Will that be a target for us or not? So, looking at the sisters, we've got the Nazi up 13. You got Russell up 4. We got the Dow up 42. We're up 6. All the sisters are trading above their 5-minute pivot. Let me switch this to our 5-minute pivot, and we should have an answer for us where we're at. I believe we're going to be above it. Okay, so we got the 5-minute pivot here at 2084 half. So 2084 half is the 5-minute pivot, and then remember the value area high is 2081.75. Okay, all right. Kind of looking for a two-sided trade. I still have a negative bias on the market based on what's going on in the cash. It's 2088 half on the upside to 2080.15 are the two numbers that I'm going to be using to watch on the cash. And remember, I've been paying a lot of attention to cash because we're getting towards rollover and the cash is becoming more prominent. All right, so we got 2080. Kind of use this as our bull bear zone for me today, and then 2088 half. I should probably just throw that number right in here while we're yeah, should have put it on there earlier. Let me see, 88, 88. That's closer to that, 88.56. So I'm gonna pop this in here. We'll edit it. We'll make it yellow. 3. Show price on the right. There we at. All right. So 2088 half, 2080, and then 2080, 2067 down below. I know those are big numbers, but we gotta, we gotta be set for what's going on. Uh, Keep your eye on oil. Oil could be heading up to the 62 half area. Bonds keep selling off on the threat that there's going to be a rate hike. And then also gold is trading in this range, and it looks like it may be heading back up to the 1200 area. All right, everybody, have a good day. Follow us on Twitter. Talk to you soon.